YouTube dropped a monetization policy update a few days ago, and it will be implemented on July 15th, 2025. And the AI Faceless channel community seems to be panicking. Some people are saying this is the end of AI content, but here's the truth. You don't need to panic if you do things right. In this video, I'll break down what the policy means to someone who runs a faceless channel like me, which channels are truly at risk, and the 4 strategies to make sure your channel stays safe and your efforts are not wasted. This is a quick update video, so it won't have all my editing bells and whistles. So first, let's clear something up. This update isn't new. It's a reinforcement. YouTube has always required original and authentic content, whether a channel is faceless or not, created with AI or not. What's new is that they're getting better at identifying mass-produced, low-effort, repetitive videos, especially those made entirely with AI. Let's look at the update. It states, starting July the 15th, 2025, channels that upload mass-produced or repetitious content may become ineligible for monetization under the YouTube Partner Program. Now let's look at YouTube's response to this panic. This user on X made this post. YouTube is cracking down on unoriginal content with a major monetization change starting July 15th. Channels that do not meaningfully transform clips risk losing monetization. That includes reaction channels, compilation pages, and more. And here is YouTube's response. Not exactly to clarify, this is a minor update to our long-standing YPP policies to help us better identify when content is mass-produced or repetitive. This type of content has already been ineligible for monetization for years and is content viewers often consider spam. So I honestly don't see any reason people are blowing this information out of proportion. With that being said, let's look at some examples of channels that might be affected. Channels that create meditation compilations using rain sounds without any original input are at high risk. There's nothing transformative or original about simply looping ambient sounds, especially when it's done in a copy-paste format like some of these channels. Similarly, channels like Revenge Realm, which rely heavily on Reddit stories without adding real commentary or transformation, have also been flagged by creators and viewers alike. These are the types of channels that are most likely to be affected by the new policy. Here's the bottom line. If you're copying content, whether it's movies, sermons, music, or Reddit threads, and you're not adding commentary, context, or creative transformation, your channel will not qualify for monetization. So what does safe content look like, you might ask? YouTube is looking for transformation, add commentary, visuals, and storytelling. Then, originality. Don't copy paste, build on ideas, and finally effort. Your video should look like a human made it, not a bot. YouTube doesn't hate AI. In fact, Google is investing heavily in AI. Like with VO3 and other tools, they just want creators to use AI as a tool, not as a way to mass produce junk. Now that we have all of that out of the way, what then are the strategies to make sure your content is bulletproof? The first strategy is choosing the right niche, and this is foundational. YouTube doesn't want every channel to look the same, but right now, too many AI channels are recycling the same overdone topics without adding anything unique. The truth is, there are countless profitable niches out there where you can deliver real value, solve a specific pain point, position yourself as an authority, and build a sustainable business. To prove it, here are a few channels across 4 different niches that have been absolutely crushing it over the past few months. The first niche I want to highlight is the health niche, specifically bodybuilding. There's a channel called The Yellow Dude that has been posting for over a year now and is doing amazingly well by covering different ways of building the body using animation. These types of animations can be recreated using tools like ChatGPT 4.0 or any other image generator, and with a bit of editing, they look really good. Another channel worth mentioning is Invisible Hands, which belongs to the global economy niche. With just 47 videos, they've gained over 164,000 subscribers, and their latest video has almost 500,000 views in just 3 days. It's definitely a channel to look out for. Next up is a channel called Bench Flicks, which uses the Why It Sucks format to cover different sports topics. The images in their videos are generated using ChatGPT 4 in a Ghibli style, and with only about 20 videos, they've gained around 9,000 subscribers and are already monetized. If you prefer focusing on a specific sport like football, there's a Faceless channel called Tifo Football by The Athletic. They've been around for a while, have a large subscriber base, and everything they do is faceless but very successful. Finally, there's Explain 101, a channel in the finance niche. This channel is also completely faceless, and their content can be created using a combination of AI tools and design platforms like Canva. These are just a few examples of faceless channels that have been doing incredibly well in recent months. I won't dive into each niche in this video. That breakdown is coming in a follow-up soon, so stay tuned. The second strategy is script writing, and honestly, this is where most creators get it wrong. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. If you're copying and pasting whatever ChatGPT gives you without editing or verifying the information, you're putting your channel at risk. Don't just ask AI to write a script and call it a day. Understand what actually makes a script engaging and valuable. A strong script includes a clear structure, a voice and tone that resonates with your audience, fresh insight, storytelling, or perspective. Here is a pro tip: let AI help with ideation and outlines, but always rewrite or refine in your own voice. Use tools like Notebook LM or Claude to cross check facts and add depth. When your script provides real value, you're in the clear and miles ahead of every one person doing the barest minimum. Now let's talk about how your video looks and sounds, because format matters just as much as content. YouTube wants to see signs of real human involvement, not pure automation. And one of the best ways to show that, even if your channel is faceless, it should have a recognizable voice or character that makes it feel personal and intentional. You can use an animated avatar like the one you're seeing now, or simply maintain a consistent and engaging narration style. Now, not every faceless channel needs an avatar, but this is where your voice choice and content packaging really need to work together. Personally, I use my own voice to stand out, so I don't sound like every other AI channel out there. But on my new channel where I don't use my voice, I use 11 Labs, and honestly, it's gotten incredibly good. Let me show you how it works. When you're signing into 11 Labs, there are a couple of ways you can create voices. You can choose to clone your own voice if that's what you'd like. To do this, you simply click on the plus button that says Voices, which opens a dialog box. At the bottom of this dialog box, you'll see the option to clone your voice. If you've already cloned it, that option will be grayed out, but otherwise, you can clone your voice and use it as many times as you want. If you'd rather design a new voice, the latest version of 11 Labs version 3 allows you to create incredibly realistic voices in under a minute. Just click on Voice Design at the top, type in what you want the voice to sound like, add some preview text, and generate the voice. You may need to tweak and regenerate the voice a few times to get it just right. Try to avoid simply picking a voice from the standard voice library, since many AI channels end up using the same voices, which can make it hard to stand out. By designing a unique voice for your channel, you'll create something that truly fits your brand and helps you stand out. The final strategy: treat your channel like a business. Mass-produced channels often fail because they chase ad revenue only, but strong faceless creators are diversifying: affiliate marketing, digital products, print on demand sponsorships, even memberships and courses. Example, a channel about AI tools can recommend subscriptions. A channel about health can link to supplements or journals. Geography channel sell maps or digital guides. If your channel has a niche, a clear persona, and valuable content, monetization becomes multidimensional. You're no longer just a channel, you're a brand. So, to recap, this update isn't the death of AI channels, it's the death of lazy content. If you're building something original, you're not only safe, you now have less competition. This is a huge opportunity to stand out and change your earning potential forever. Every time YouTube tightens its rules, low quality channels vanish and high value channels rise. And remember, don't fear the algorithm, understand it and work with it. If you want to know how to start your faceless YouTube channel the right way, like mine, that makes over $10,000 per month, check out this video where I break down step by step how to get started, and I will see you there.